Thanks for watching What to Know Before You Buy This Arrow Stapler. So I got this Arrow staple gun and I looked it up and I needed a new staple gun. This one is electric. And I was looking for something that was going to be strong, not jam up. This thing had excellent reviews, but then when I tried to find videos on it, there was no reviews. So this thing, a staple gun that shoots nails. Pretty cool. So you can see the orange part talks about what size nail it could take, but I'm blind so I can't see. The yellow one talks about another size nail, and then you got your T50 staples, which is like 5 different sizes. And then you got the nails that I just bought. You can see how tiny these are. And on the box, I paid $16 for 6,000 of these on Amazon. So that's really cheap compared to the big box stores. Then it says it takes 9/16, which is over a 1/2 inch, and then you got your 1/2 inch. We're gonna be testing on how it fires on pine and then old barn wood. It does have an LED indicator here when it gets low, and I guess it turns red or whatnot. I haven't even fired this thing. Oh, it's got an on-off switch right here, so make sure it's on. Obviously, if that's off, it's not working. It's a little heavy, a little bit big, but hopefully I like it. It seems fine. I'm not worried about the weight of it. And then to open this up, you push the blue one in and pull the black one up, and then this slides out. And then it inserts from here. And if you could look really good, but you know, I can't show you guys right now, but it says nails on this side over there, and it says T50 staples. So it talks about what is needed here. There was a model that said what side the nails went on, but this one doesn't have it. I saw that in a review. So we're gonna put these staples in here, and these are just some tiny ones. Let's see what it does real quick, guys. This is the pine. Okay, that went all the way in. Definitely all the way in. It's hardwood. All the way in, no issues. So next, sliding this open. I'm gonna try these nails right here. Tiny little nails. It said slide them up on the side. So if this doesn't jam up, that's awesome. We're gonna do the pine first. Nail went all the way in, I don't feel the head. Nail went all the way in, don't feel the head. Impressed. So you could hear it spinning in there. So we're gonna use the 9/16 right here. Put those in right here. Slide it up. I like the LED light. I wonder if that's just on all the time. So, oh, got stuck right there. I can't see what's going on. All right, getting used to the shutting. So that wasn't the issue, it was operator error. Not scared to admit it. All right, hitting that one. I could feel it right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. So I just shot that, and where did it go? Oh, right here. I do feel it. Didn't sink it all the way. What if I shoot it with the wood grain? No. So how about this one? See if I can, oh, there you go. Does that some justice right there. So not bad for carpet stapling and whatnot. I'll try the pine one more time. Maybe that was my fault. No, these 9/16, it's not hammering them all the way down. So 1/2 inch. Let's see if the 1/2 inch ones do any good. I'm still getting used to how to open it. Nope, not 1/2 inch. We're gonna have to go into the box. There it goes. It just got to be centered. Again, operator error. They didn't make it dummy proof. All right, here we go. Pine, 1/2 inch. Still sticking up, guys. Still sticking up, but pretty impressive for 60 bucks. I bought it on eBay for 30 bucks, so I didn't pay full price. And it was used once is what it said, but pretty happy with it. I think I went over everything. Couldn't find a review on this thing, so if you guys would hit that like button, helps me out, helps you out. On and off button. Plug's pretty long. You're looking about 6 feet. It does come with this little case. I guess it's cool because you can put all your nails in there and whatnot. That's about it, guys. Go get one of these. Not bad.